So here's how to change Facebook page URL on Android. It's quite simple and easy thing to do. So let's get started. First of all, you need to go to a browser. Alright. So these things will only work on browser, not in the Facebook application itself. Alright. So we need to go to the browser and then go and search for facebook.com. Alright. And make sure that your Facebook is like in the desktop mode. Alright. So how you can turn on the desktop mode is quite simple. You need to tap on the three dots and then you will find the desktop side. So you need to enable the desktop side. Alright. And then from here, first of all, you need to let me zoom in, and then from here you need to see the profile icon. So tap on the profile and then tap on see all profiles. So tap on that, and now you need to select the page that you want to change your URL. Alright. So for my case, I'm going to change this profile URL. So I will select that, and now again zoom into the profile and then tap on the profile, and then you need to go to the settings and privacy, and then again tap on settings. So it will brings up the settings. So from here, now on the left side you need to zoom into it, then you will see the option like the page setup. So you need to select the page setup. Alright. Then here you will see the option like the name. So here is the name, and under the name you will see the view option. So tap on the view, and now as you can see we got the profile link, so which is here username, add the username. So on the right side you will see the edit option. So tap on the edit, and now you can simply select any kind of name. So let's just select a name and make sure that this username is available. So for my case this is not available, so let me just add something to make sure that is. So now as you can see the username is available, then simply tap on the save changes and your page URL will be changed like that. So it's quite simple thing to do on Android. So that's how you can simply change Facebook page URL on Android. So hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works, and I will get you guys in the pretty next one. Till then, have a very good day.